G'day, here's my question to you. What do you think this house is made of? Unbelievably, it's made with a huge robot and it 3D concrete prints the whole house. Iconic Construction is leading the way, utilising this technology to help build housing in New Zealand. We'd love you to come and have a look at it. Our show home's open Monday to Friday between 10 and 2 p.m. and then on weekends by appointment. Jump onto our website, pick a time that suits you to come and have a look, and we'd love to show you through the house and how we've utilised this technology to construct houses.